you want to find out more information on this little guy right here, just stay tuned right now. Sorry for it being a little dirty. Here's the front end of my truck. Now let's go and hop on in and I'll show you what it is. Alright. Sorry about that. I got a neighbor over there who's been blowing leaves the past 3 hours or so. But anyways, I got it right here. Okay, as you can see, here's my Ram key with a blue key fob protector on it. And then here we got my Ram 2500 Power Wagon front end in a keychain form. Alright, as you can see, the detail on it is very, very good. It even has the tow hooks, it even has a place for the winch. And obviously you can see the keychain here actually goes through one of where the fog lights would be. So you can see that is very detailed. It is a 3D printed keychain. You can see the multiple layers of composite material here. The fit and finish on it is great. You can see that. Kind of looks like a carbon fiber front end. It's even got the little the clearance lamps on it, which is awesome. Let's see who that is. Sorry for the interruption, guys. That was a potential spam. Sorry, potential spam. I don't answer for you. You're not going to get my info, although you already have my phone number. If you would like one of these, it doesn't have to be for a Ram. It can be for any vehicle, okay? Go to Car Chains 3D, all right? They have a Facebook page. They have a Instagram page. Go in there. All they require is you to send a picture of the front end of any vehicle. So if you want to do it for a car, if you want to do it for whatever, they probably can do it for a boat or whatever else. All right, but they mainly do just cars, hence the name, Car Chains 3D. All right, so I'm going to put the information in the video and the information in the description below. So go check them out. I talked to the owner of the company. He's a great guy. And if you want something cool like this, whether it be for a gift for Christmas, if someone got a new car, whatever have you, this little thing right here actually is very nice. And it shows that you are definitely a car person. All right, thank you guys, and hope you enjoyed the video.